me.
Yes, I'm ever ready. I'm excited to answer your questions, Samskruti. So I'm ready. Let's start.
Pinny, why you get excited for birthday always?
Why I get excited for my birthday? Because it's so special day for me. I feel that everyone have to celebrate their birthday so well. Because of that day only today we are existing, right? So it's so special, and yes, we get so much of attention that day. So many phone calls, wishes, messages, gifts, cakes, and moreover nowadays so it's all about status stories about you, so it feels so good. So I feel everyone has to celebrate, and it excites me so much. I love birthdays. Yes, I love birthdays.
What is birthday, Pinny?
Very important question. Actually, what is birthday? What is birthday? If I Actually, it's my logic. It's not so that people will understand or they will laugh at my answer, but I just concentrate the word birthday, and how I wish them happy birthday. So it's like happy is nothing but being like, it's a very good thing, right? Happy, being happy. So I feel that happy birthday, so it's that happiness born that day. Means your birthday is giving a happiness. Of course it will give a happiness in our family, to our parents, firstly to our parents. They become parents on that day because of us. So I feel, yes, happiness born that day. So that's how I understand the meaning of birthday. And it's so good to understand in that way, right? And maybe because of that understanding I will be loving my birthday more even. So yes, that's how I give the meaning of birthday.
I am little so. I celebrate my birthday. You're so big. Why you want birthday?
Yeah, you are a little one. You will celebrate your birthday in very different manner. I mean, there will be lots of chocolates, cakes, birthday frocks, party, inviting all the kids in the colony or wherever we stay, neighbors. Every kids will come, be like in that party. So much of attention. Yes, as we start growing, no, there won't be so much of importance to birthday. Few people will become so philosophical that, hey, I won't celebrate my birthday. I don't like celebrating my birthday. Really, it's my expression. And few people will be like, no, I want to make it simple. Yeah, I don't want to celebrate so much. Like, and some people will be like, oh, it's birthday time. Yeah, it's my birthday time. I'll be throwing parties, I will be full chilling with friends. And the other kind of category people like me, they will be like counting the days. As soon I'm done with my birthday, see, I'm already done with my birthday on May 11th. It's already today May 25th, so it's been some 40 days of my birthday. I'm still started counting like, okay, for next year. So I see that, yes, as we start growing, no, the importance of birthday or celebrating will definitely change. But I think for me, it didn't change. Yeah, I don't call all the neighbors and start celebrating my birthday, but definitely I will be keeping balloons, and cutting the cake, wearing minimum 2 to 3 dresses on my birthday. So that's how I do on my birthdays. Means there won't be so difference for me like a kid or a bigger one. Birthday is birthday. Yeah, you're growing old, definitely. Now you're some 3 years old kid. I'm like 26, but birthday is birthday. Yeah. So let's be that kid on birthday at least.
You are becoming old. Do you miss my age?
You're just reminding me my age, Samskruti. Very bad. Yes, I'm growing old. Definitely, I will miss your age because that kind of innocence, the pure soul, the purity in the soul, everything will exist when we are a kid, right? As we grow, many things changes. As I just now told that the way of celebrating birthdays also change. The importance given to the birthdays also definitely change as we are growing. But sometimes I feel I don't miss my childhood because I don't remember what I actually used to do every day when I was a kid. Few things we remember, few things will be registered in our brain that yes, I did that, I have that frock, I have that color, that Barbie doll I used to have. Something, this type of things will be always registered in our brain. And few things definitely when we are going through our albums or something, we will be recollecting, okay, I had these many frocks, oh, my hairstyle was this way in childhood or something. But in practically way, if you ask me, no, I don't miss the little age, but yeah, I miss that innocence, I miss that purity, because definitely as we grow, our character also get designed in something different manner, where we, maybe that's how the life is, right? What we do when we are a kid, we can't do when we become old. We definitely change with the age, maybe that maturity, that everything we get as we are growing old. So I don't miss. I will be asking the same question to you once you reach some 15-16 years of age. Remember.
What you do on birthday?
What I do on my birthday. This also changes every year. It won't be same. Because when I was a kid, first thing I miss about my birthdays is I can't celebrate. I didn't celebrate my birthday any time in school except the last year of my school, that is in 10th class. Not in 10th class, when I finished my 9th standard and I was about to enter the 10th standard, there used to be special classes for us in summer vacation, and that time I grabbed the opportunity of celebrating my birthday for the first time in school. So that was so good for me to celebrate. But yeah, I missed because there used not to be whole school that time. Only my class people used to come in summer vacation, not all the classes. So I miss distributing chocolates in every class, or I miss announcement of my name in the prayer session, that happy birthday Priya Thakur, like that. So definitely I miss that. But yeah, in childhood I used to have celebration at home only with my all cousins. They used to come, few of my cousins used to come from Chennai in summer vacation, so I used to celebrate with them. Majorly it was with my family only. As I started growing, and friends, yes, they used to come to my home place. From my intermediate level, I can tell, from my intermediate level or from 10th standard, my friends started coming to my place. I used to celebrate with them. My mom used to, and the first very mandatory thing is my mom and my dad. Dad used to go to office and come soon that day, but my mom used to apply leave on my birthday. That is for sure. Till date she do that. Even in this quarantine also, she's a bank employee, so she has to go, as she comes under essential service provider. So but she applied leave for my birthday, so that's mandatory thing. So usually family, friends coming home. Once, like, yeah, from 3-4 years I can tell I'm celebrating some 3 to 4 times in a year, in that month particularly, because of meeting so many friends at different times. Inter friends at one time, degree friends at one time, and institute friends at some other time. So it's like 3-4 birthdays for me. So that's how. But I really want to make something different. Maybe next year I need to plan. This year anyhow it became different because of quarantine. So next year I will definitely make it something more different on my birthday.
Will you get so many toys like I get?
I know, in your age, you will be getting so many toys as gifts and everything, so that excites you a lot. So you're asking me this question, I understood. But yeah, when I was a kid, I too used to get so many toys from my aunt, that is my dad's elder sister. She used to give me so many gifts. Actually, she pampered me a lot than my parents. And my dad used to surprise me with greeting card. When I was a kid, I was never used to be awake till 12 a.m. something like we are doing now. I used to sleep by normal time. I used to get excited about next day, like tomorrow when I wake up, who will call me first. That kind of excitement used to be there in childhood. So my dad used to write a greeting, daughter's birthday greeting cards used to come now in Archie's. From Archie's he used to purchase that, and he will write, "Dear Papu, happy birthday, God bless you, with love, Babuji and Mummy." He used to write that way and keep that greeting near my pillow or like near my bed. When I wake up in the morning, I will first see that greeting card. I feel like, OMG, I got the first gift. That kind of expression. So that was so cute gestures I used to get from my parents, and definitely my mom used to make sweet and everything. That was my childhood. But truly, Samskruti, as we are growing old, no, the way of giving gifts also changes. Like I said, greeting cards. Even my dad understood this is not a trend now. Nobody is reading greeting cards, so he stopped giving me greeting cards. Then started giving some gifts, some gold items. He used to give me like a gold ring or something, and then started with money. Your wish, whatever you want to purchase, you go and purchase. In that sense, somewhere I miss all that because I feel gift should be given as per your wish. But nowadays people mentality, like maybe because of some reasons, and that might be true, now people think that abba kya dete, let's give money only, she'll purchase on her own wish. Why to give something which she don't like? If later she don't use, it will be wastage. Like that people started thinking now. So what they will do, they will give the money, you purchase whatever you want. And even parents are doing the same thing now. Your wish, you purchase whatever you want. But for me, gift is not that way. I feel that, suppose my friend, she's going to somewhere and she saw something, Arey, this looks good on Priya, Arey, this gift I should give to Priya. If something, they see the thing and if they remember me in that and gift me that, no, I say, I bet that is called as a gift, and that makes me so feel special. I know everyone won't be agreeing with this point, or they feel like funny, but for me gift is like that, because whatever things as a gifts I keep on my wall or whatever it is, no, it's all about their choice. Yes, few things they know about me, right? Obviously on that basis they will give. Okay, Priya likes purple colored, so gift her in something purple, or she likes chocolates, so give her chocolates. That's not a problem. But you choosing something and giving is what I feel gift. If not, what is the difference between gift or something purchasing on your own? You purchase, right? Nowadays the trend has been changed. I will GPay you the amount, you purchase whatever you want. Dude, is that a gift? No. And to the trend more nowadays, the gift is not giving some materialistic things or something, keeping a pic with you. If there is no pic with you, keeping your single pic and writing something about you. But I agree with this actually is also a memorable thing, because whatever status they keep for me on my birthday or a story, or they tag me somewhere in the social network, no, I will definitely save it and I'll keep it. Even last year wishes, last before year wishes also, everything is there. Maybe that's how my gallery will be filled always. So that is also so cute to read few messages, how they write so good about you. So now the trend of the gifts has been changed, so I won't get any toys like you get. And that's how the trend has changed now. So, but I love. So that's how I define a gift now.
I wish you happy birthday, Pinny. Celebrate like me. Be happy like me. And always keep smiling. Bye bye, Pinny. Love you.
Lots of love. Thank you so much, Samskruti, for asking so cute questions and listening to my answers. And definitely, as I mentioned you people, this videos she sent to me, like thanks to Namrata for shooting all these videos with her and sending me before my birthday as I requested. But I am sorry I couldn't upload that day, so I'm uploading it today. And thank you so much. Love you. And how cutely you are calling Pinny. Priya Pinny Pipi. Lots of love.